Have you ever wondered why thousands of Americans are suddenly packing their bags, selling their homes, and starting over in a country most people once overlooked, Malaysia? In 2025, this Southeast Asian nation has become one of the hottest relocation destinations for U.S. citizens, and the trend is growing faster than anyone expected. From retirees looking for a peaceful life to young professionals and digital nomads seeking adventure, Americans are arriving in record numbers, turning Malaysia into a new kind of American dream. But what's causing this massive shift? The answer lies in a perfect combination of factors that make life in Malaysia not just affordable, but exciting and fulfilling. Imagine living in a modern city where rent costs a fraction of what you'd pay in New York or Los Angeles, dining on world-class street food for just a few dollars, and enjoying high-quality healthcare at prices that would shock most Americans. Add to this a welcoming visa program, warm tropical weather, breathtaking islands, and a multicultural society where English is widely spoken, and it's easy to see why so many people are making the move. Beyond money and lifestyle, there's something deeper at play. Many Americans are searching for balance, community, and a slower pace of life, something that feels increasingly out of reach back home. In Malaysia, they're finding not just affordability, but freedom from crushing healthcare costs, endless work hours, and the political tensions that dominate daily life in the U.S. For many, Malaysia isn't just a new address, it's a fresh start, a chance to live happier, healthier, and more meaningfully. This is why Malaysia is no longer just a hidden gem, it's the new frontier for Americans chasing a better life. Cost of living, a fraction of America. One of the biggest reasons Americans are moving to Malaysia is the affordable cost of living. Life in cities like Kuala Lumpur, Penang, and Johor Bahru is dramatically cheaper compared to New York, Los Angeles, or even mid-sized U.S. cities. Rent for a modern apartment in Kuala Lumpur can be as low as $400 to $700 per month, while the same space in a U.S. city could easily cost over $2,000. Dining out is not a luxury, it's a daily lifestyle. A meal at a local restaurant costs around $3 to $5, and even international cuisines are far more affordable than in America. Groceries, public transportation, utilities, and healthcare all come at a fraction of U.S. prices, allowing Americans to live comfortably without the constant financial stress they face back home. Many retirees say their Social Security benefits stretch twice as far in Malaysia, letting them enjoy a higher quality of life on a modest budget. Excellent and affordable healthcare. Healthcare is a huge factor for many Americans leaving the U.S. The reality is that healthcare costs in America are among the highest in the world, even with insurance. In Malaysia, however, high-quality medical care is not only accessible but incredibly affordable. Malaysia's healthcare system is a blend of modern private hospitals and efficient public facilities. A doctor's visit may cost as little as $15 to $25, while complex surgeries can be performed for a fraction of U.S. prices, often at world-class hospitals accredited by international medical boards. Cities like Penang and Kuala Lumpur have become medical tourism hubs, attracting people from around the world for everything from dental work to major surgeries. For Americans who are tired of sky-high insurance premiums and surprise hospital bills, Malaysia offers peace of mind and world-class care. Malaysia My Second Home. The Malaysian government has made it easier than ever for foreigners, including Americans, to stay long-term. Through the Malaysia My Second Home (MM2H) program, foreigners can obtain renewable long-term visas that allow them to live in the country for years without the constant stress of visa runs or complicated paperwork. This program is particularly attractive to retirees, digital nomads, and remote workers who want stability. With clear guidelines and a welcoming attitude toward expatriates, Malaysia has positioned itself as a top choice for Americans seeking a second home in Asia. Diverse culture and English-friendly environment. Moving to a new country often comes with language barriers, but not in Malaysia. English is widely spoken across the country, especially in urban areas and business hubs. This makes integration much easier for Americans compared to other Asian destinations. Beyond language, Malaysia's culture is a fascinating mix of Malay, Chinese, Indian, and indigenous traditions, offering a vibrant blend of food, festivals, and customs. Americans find themselves surrounded by diversity, whether it's enjoying Chinese New Year in Penang, Hari Raya in Kuala Lumpur, or Deepavali in Johor Bahru. This multicultural environment creates a welcoming atmosphere where foreigners feel at home while also experiencing something entirely new. Tropical paradise with modern infrastructure. Imagine waking up to sunny skies, palm trees, and warm weather all year round. Malaysia's tropical climate is a major draw for Americans escaping harsh winters. Beach lovers flock to islands like Langkawi, Redang, and Tiaman, while nature enthusiasts explore Borneo's rainforests and wildlife. Yet, despite its natural beauty, Malaysia boasts modern infrastructure, from high-speed internet and efficient public transportation to world-class shopping malls and airports. This unique combination allows Americans to enjoy both a laid-back tropical lifestyle and the conveniences of a developed nation. Safety and quality of life. Contrary to some misconceptions, Malaysia is a relatively safe country with a low violent crime rate compared to many U.S. cities. Petty crimes like pickpocketing can occur, but violent crime is rare, especially in expat-friendly areas. Americans moving to Malaysia often report feeling safer walking at night or using public transportation than they do in major U.S. urban centers. Combined with strong community networks, friendly locals, and a slower pace of life, Malaysia offers a sense of security and peace that many Americans crave. Strong expat community. Relocating to a new country can be daunting, but Malaysia has a thriving American and international expat community. Cities like Kuala Lumpur and Penang have countless social clubs, networking events, and online forums where newcomers can meet like-minded people. Whether it's joining a hiking group, attending a language exchange, or connecting through Facebook groups, Americans quickly find support systems that help them adjust and feel at home. Amazing food and lifestyle. For many Americans, the culinary scene alone is worth the move. Malaysian food is legendary: spicy laksa, fragrant nasi lemak, savory satay, and endless street food options that cost just a few dollars. Night markets and hawker stalls are not only affordable but also part of the daily lifestyle. Beyond food, Malaysia offers a relaxed pace of life compared to the hustle and stress of U.S. cities. Whether it's sipping coffee in a Penang cafe, hiking through lush rainforests, or enjoying a weekend on the beaches of Langkawi, Americans are drawn to Malaysia's balance of modern living and natural beauty. Escape from the American rat race. Perhaps the most emotional reason behind this move is the desire to escape the stress and pressure of life in the U.S. Rising costs, political tensions, long work hours, and a never-ending cycle of debt have left many Americans feeling burnt out. Malaysia offers a refreshing alternative, a slower, more balanced lifestyle where happiness isn't tied to working 60-hour weeks or chasing material possessions. Many Americans describe their move as liberating, saying they've found more personal freedom and fulfillment in Malaysia than they ever had back home. Business and work opportunities. While many Americans move to Malaysia to retire, a growing number are relocating for business and career opportunities. Malaysia's economy is one of the most dynamic in Southeast Asia, with thriving industries in technology, finance, tourism, and manufacturing. The country's strategic location, right in the heart of Asia, makes it a gateway for entrepreneurs looking to tap into markets across the region. For digital nomads and remote workers, Malaysia offers excellent co-working spaces, affordable internet, and a growing expat community, making it an ideal base for global business. A new American dream in Malaysia. The trend is clear: Americans are moving to Malaysia in record numbers because it offers something that feels increasingly out of reach in the United States: affordability, safety, community, and a higher quality of life. From the bustling streets of Kuala Lumpur to the serene beaches of Penang and the natural wonders of Borneo, Malaysia represents a new kind of American dream. It's not just about saving money, it's about gaining freedom, freedom to live, explore, and enjoy life without the constant stress of bills, politics, and overwork. As more Americans discover this Southeast Asian paradise, Malaysia is transforming from a vacation spot to a permanent home for thousands. Whether you're a retiree, a digital nomad, or simply someone seeking a better way of life, Malaysia proves that sometimes, the best way to live the American dream is to leave America behind.